Getting back RSVPs is a major task for would-be brides, grooms, or wedding planners. Planning a wedding in itself is a mammoth task, and you really can't be calling up each one of your guests to write back their RSVP. Luckily, we have a hack that may save you time and money and reduce your wedding stress. Enter QR code RSVPs. You might have already seen them being used for weddings, but I'm here to tell you how to use them to their fullest potential. Let's get started. There are 3 ways to use QR codes for RSVPs. The first method is to direct your visitors to a form. The second option is to direct them to a calendar event, and the third is to direct them to a landing page. You can execute all 3 ways on Beaconstac, and I'll show you how. The first way, a form QR code. This type of QR code directs guests to a form where they can easily fill out their information. Log on to Beaconstac and go to Forms under Campaigns. Click on the Create button and choose from a ready-to-use template or build one from scratch. Fill in the questions for your RSVP form. I recommend sticking to a simple yes or no question and a beautiful image of the couple. You can even enable email notifications so that you can know each time one of your invitees responds. Click on Save. Now go to QR Codes and click on Create and select the form under Dynamic QR Codes. Select your RSVP form and the list and click Next. Customize your QR code as per your wishes. Modify the QR code pattern, colors, and background. You can also add an actionable CTA frame text. As you apply each customization, Beaconstac's real-time scannability checker alerts you if your QR code runs the risk of being unscannable. You can also add a password to avoid uninvited guests. And voila! You now have a simple-to-fill form QR code. The second way you can send your RSVPs is using a calendar QR code. This type of QR code contains an event link that visitors save on their personal calendars. Go to your Google Calendar and create an event. Make sure to set the default visibility to public. Fill in all the details and save the event. Click on the 3 dots here and select Publish Event to get your event link. Copy this and head to Beaconstac's dashboard. Click on the Create button and select the website type. Once you've pasted the event link here, customize your QR code as per your wedding theme. And done! Your calendar QR code is ready for you to use as an RSVP. The third way is to create a landing page QR code. This type of QR code, once scanned, opens a landing page that you have created on Beaconstac and has multiple sources of information. You can share images from your pre-wedding shoot, an RSVP form, what the itinerary looks like, and more. Log on to Beaconstac's dashboard and go to Landing Pages under Campaigns. Click on the Create button and choose a template for your landing page, or create one from scratch. You can customize the fonts, colors, upload images on your landing page now. To add a form asking for your guests' attendance, click on the form icon and choose one of the forms you've created on Beaconstac. Click on Save. Head to the QR code creation page and select Landing Page Type. Select the landing page you designed and now customize your QR code. That's it! You can now share your QR code on wedding invites or via social media channels and get your RSVPs back seamlessly. The right QR code generator will help you plan and organize your wedding efficiently. With the help of Beaconstac's QR code platform, you'll have everything you need to create a QR code for your wedding RSVP right at your fingertips. Here are some key features that can help you out. Create editable dynamic QR codes. I highly recommend not using a static QR code from one of those free generators you see online. You cannot modify them once you create them. Dynamic QR codes give you the freedom to change information anytime. So if you decide to change the location of your wedding reception, you can easily modify your QR code accordingly. Access to advanced customization options. Beaconstac gives you plenty of design options to choose from. So even if you're not a design expert, you can easily customize your QR code extensively based on your preferences. You can easily incorporate your wedding's theme with the various customization options provided, all in one QR code platform. You need not use multiple websites to create one RSVP. Everything can be done on Beaconstac. You can create a form, a landing page, and a QR code all under the same roof. Bonus, post-wedding you can share your wedding video as a QR code on the thank you note to each guest. A wedding that's sufficiently planned and organized is the hope of every bride and groom. Let Beaconstac's QR code for wedding RSVPs help you achieve that. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section and I will promptly reply to them. For more QR code videos, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.